Hello everyone, welcome to Quick and Easy Cooking. Today we are going to make a blackberry cobbler. Now the ingredients that you will need are granulated sugar, butter, blackberries, self-rising flour, and some milk. Now what I have done is I've turned on our stove and it's preheating to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and I've taken our pan and I put our 1 stick of butter on in our pan. So when our stove comes to temperature, we're going to put that on in. Then when you put your pan on in with your butter, you're going to melt your butter inside the oven. Now what I've done is I put 1 cup of flour into my bowl right here that you see. 1 cup of flour. Next, I've added 1 cup of sugar into the flour. Now to our mixture right here, I've added 1 cup of milk. Now I'm whisking this up, our ingredients, the flour, the sugar, the milk, that's what I'm whisking up. Now I have our butter in this 2 quart, it's an oblong dish, glass dish. And what we're going to do is we're going to pour the mixture into here. Now see how I'm pouring this on into the pan right here? The main thing is to not stir it. You just pour it. You just pour it in. And this is the way it's supposed to look, with the butter coming up to the top. You do not mix this or anything. You just pour the batter into the glass dish and the butter will come up to the top, and you just want to leave it like that. Okay, that's the main thing. The next step is to take, now we had a little bit over like 2 cups of blackberries, and the next step is to take and put each and every one blackberry into this pan, this glass dish right here, and that's what I've done. See that? I want you guys to see that. Okay. Oops, sorry for the movement of the camera. Yeah, but I wanted you guys to see that you take every blackberry. Now I have over a little bit of 2 cups, and you just put it on in, and don't mash them down or anything, just put them on in. Now what we're doing is we're taking some granulated sugar and putting it on top of the blackberries. Now this step's optional. If you don't like that, you don't have to add it, but we will for this video. But that's sugar that's on top of the blackberries that you see right there. It's about like a 1/3 cup. Now what I've done is I put the cobbler into the stove. You're going to cook it for about 30 to 35 minutes. We've got our time clock set at 34 minutes, and we're going to check it and see if it's done at that point. Alright everyone, I have our Breyers ice cream right here, and here is our blackberry cobbler with some ice cream on top of it. It's natural vanilla. Anyways, this is so good. I want to thank everybody for watching this video. Please click the subscribe button and also the notification bell so that way every time I come on you know. If you're watching this channel for the first time and you love our recipes, please click the subscribe button. It really does help the channel. I want to thank everybody again for watching it. Take care, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.